If you're serious about your health, sleep, recovery, and fitness tracking, two products are dominating the conversation right now: the new Oura Ring 5 and the Whoop 5.0. Oura is bringing a smaller design, improved sensors, health radar, blood pressure signals, and AI-powered health insights. Meanwhile, Whoop 5.0 continues to focus on deep recovery tracking, strain analysis, coaching, and athlete-focused performance monitoring. So which one is actually better in 2026? In this video, we're comparing the Oura Ring 5 and Whoop 5.0 side by side to help you decide which one fits your lifestyle and training goals best. Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest updates. Design and comfort. The biggest difference is how these products are worn. The Oura Ring 5 is a smart ring that sits on your finger. It's now around 40% smaller than the previous generation, lighter, thinner, and feels much closer to a normal ring than ever before. Whoop 5.0 is a screenless fitness band worn on your wrist. It remains extremely lightweight and comfortable, but it's built more like a fitness tracker than a piece of jewelry. If comfort and everyday wear matter most, Oura Ring 5 has the advantage. If you're already comfortable wearing a fitness band 24/7, Whoop feels natural. Battery life. Battery life is excellent on both devices. The Oura Ring 5 delivers around 6 to 9 days of battery life and also offers an optional portable charging solution. Whoop 5.0 pushes further with more than 14 days of battery life, and one of its biggest advantages is on-wrist charging, meaning you don't have to stop tracking while recharging. For battery performance alone, Whoop 5.0 wins. Smart features and connectivity. The Oura Ring 5 is becoming much more than a sleep tracker. The new health radar platform introduces blood pressure signals, nighttime breathing analysis, AI-powered health guidance, health record integration, and more proactive wellness tools. Oura is clearly moving toward predictive health monitoring. Whoop takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on health alerts and wellness features, Whoop is built around daily coaching. The platform constantly analyzes your recovery, sleep quality, strain levels, heart rate zones, and performance readiness to guide training decisions. Oura feels more health-focused, while Whoop feels more performance-focused. Health and fitness features. This is where the real competition begins. The Oura Ring 5 offers advanced sleep tracking, readiness scores, HRV monitoring, recovery analysis, temperature tracking, blood pressure signals, illness detection tools, activity tracking, and AI-powered health insights. Oura is arguably one of the best wearables available for overall wellness tracking. Whoop 5.0 focuses heavily on recovery, strain, and performance. Its biggest strengths are sleep score, recovery score, strain score, coaching recommendations, workout analysis, heart rate zones, VO2, max tracking, and athlete-focused insights. The difference is simple. Oura tells you how healthy you are. Whoop tells you how hard you should train. If your goal is overall health and wellness, Oura has the advantage. If your goal is athletic performance and recovery optimization, Whoop is stronger. Price comparison. The Oura Ring 5 starts at around $399, while premium finishes can reach around $499. Oura also requires a monthly membership to unlock its full platform. Whoop 5.0 works through a membership model with plans starting around $199 per year. So Oura has a higher upfront cost, while Whoop spreads the cost through membership plans. Final verdict. If you want the best smart ring for sleep tracking, health monitoring, wellness insights, blood pressure signals, and AI-powered health guidance, then the Oura Ring 5 is the better choice. But if you're an athlete, runner, cyclist, or someone focused on training performance, recovery optimization, and daily coaching, then Whoop 5.0 remains one of the best fitness trackers available. At the end, Oura Ring 5 is built more for health and wellness, while Whoop 5.0 is built more for performance and recovery. Let me know which one you would choose and subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more latest tech updates.